Welcome to our channel. Today I am explaining Enterprise Utility Bill Payment Solution and how managing utility bills across multiple business locations can be a daunting task. However, with the right solution, you can streamline this process, improve efficiency, and ensure timely payments. In this video, we'll explore how AdvayPay's Enterprise Bill Payment Solution, or EBPS, simplifies corporate bill payments. AdvayPay's EBPS is a comprehensive platform designed to handle utility bill payments for large corporations. It offers the following features. Let's delve into the features of AdvayPay's EBPS. First, the centralized dashboard allows you to manage all bills across different locations using a single dashboard. It automatically fetches bill details like due dates and amounts for easy tracking. Next, the bulk payments feature enables you to pay multiple bills at once with just a few clicks, and you can filter bills based on location, bill providers, and due dates. Additionally, location management helps you easily manage bills for each shop, warehouse, office, or location. Finally, the easy reconciliation feature allows for hassle-free reconciliation of bill payments and generation of custom reports as needed. Let's dive into how you can manage your bills with ease. First, click the Add Bill button on the dashboard. Next, enter the bill details like type, operator, and so on. Now, to select bills, you can filter them based on location or due dates. Simply choose the bills you wish to pay. For instant payment, just click Pay and you're done. It's that straightforward. Now, let's explore the advantages of using AdvayPay's EBPS. With a high success rate, direct integration with service providers ensures quick payments. You can create custom approval flows tailored to your business departments, which is quite handy. Moreover, avail incentives for early bill payments and choose to make partial payments if needed. Plus, you can integrate with existing ERP and financial reporting systems for custom reports. All these features make AdvayPay a robust choice for your enterprise. In conclusion, AdvayPay's EBPS revolutionizes enterprise bill payments, making them smoother, more secure, and efficient. Say goodbye to manual processes and embrace a streamlined solution for your corporate utility bills. Just feel free to ask on 8700277457 or mail us at business@advaypay.com for any query.